throw, but Steve Bull. Lovely ball out to Keane, and these two linking up so well. Bull's made a terrific run up to the 6-yard box. The ball comes across, and Steve Bull is there! Oh, what a fantastic cross from Keane. What a wonderful diving header from Steve Bull. They wipe out the deficit on 14. Gomez. Keane. Gomez is waiting for it. We'll put this cross in left-footed, aiming it at Steve Bull. Chest down, a great goal! Steve Bull, it's 2 for Wolves. Gomez, a wonderful cross, and look at this control from Bull. A wonderful finish. 2 for Steve Bull, 2 for Wolves. Here's Barnet, Osborne will take it. Curls one in. Defence can't get this one away, it comes out of Keane! It's 3 for Wolves. And the first leg seems a long way away now. Wolves look safe. Not even half-time. Robbie Keane. Is this something they play? It's a beautiful flick from Steve Bull. Keane is through there. Keeper's come his line up. That's a delicious chip. What a superb goal. International quality from Robbie Keane. Just look at this, drew the keeper, and with a flick of the right foot, he puts Wolves 4 up, Harrison no chance. What a glorious goal. It's a good-looking corner, Steve Bull arrives! And Bully has the hat-trick on 80 minutes. A pinpoint corner and a glorious bullet header. Wolves have 5 and Steve Bull has the match ball.